ఈ రోజున మన పాఠశాలలో 1996, 97 విద్యా సంవత్సరంలో విద్యను అభ్యసించినటువంటి పూర్వ విద్యార్థులు, అలాగే ఈ పాఠశాల స్థలదాత వారి మనవడి గారు కూడా.
Good morning to the respected headmaster, teachers on the dais, and my dear friends. My name is Nikita. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. At first, I would like to wish you all happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. Since their very year, we celebrate Independence Day. Since then very year, we celebrate Independence Day. On 15th August on this year, we celebrate Independence Day of our country. This is there for all of you celebrate and honor our nation. We should too celebrate this day with a great spirit. The Independence Day all over India with great joy. It is one of the greatest festival of India. The sacrifices of whose efforts gave us Independence Day. We must respect our national flag and national anthem. Jai Hind. Thank you, Ananda.